let a matrix M is given, right? A matrix M is given, is determinant M is 0 given. Determinant 0 means 36 minus 6x 0. That means 6x is equal to 36, x is equal to 6. That means this x is equal to 6. Now this is symmetric or not? Symmetric means, so M transpose, okay, A transpose is equal to A, then it is a symmetric, right? So 4, 6, 9, right? So this is symmetric or not? 4, 6, 9, M transpose is equal to M. So this is correct, right? This is invertible. This is not invertible because determinant A is equal to 0 means A inverse not defined. See, 36 minus 36, 0. Determinant is 0, right? One eigenvalue is 13, right? So lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 13, right? So one eigenvalue is 13. Lambda 1, lambda 2 what? 0. Then one eigenvalue sum will be 13. Then this also true. So this is jam question. So this is multiple option correct type. So A correct, C correct.